Hey, good morning. Hello, welcome to the Old Geezer's Diary on Tuesday, the 8th of July 2025. I'm Chris, and this is the Old Geezer's Diary vlog for today. No news today, I might do a little bit later, but we'll see how it goes. But I'm just returned at, 11 o'clock from my morning shopping. I go shopping on a Tuesday because I don't mind. I do all the shopping, I do all the cooking, and I like doing it. I only have to do some of the washing up sometimes, and I never do the ironing. I never wipe up either, but there you go. Okay, so what have I been shopping for? Well, I've spent a load of money because I had to top up a number of things that we kind of run out of. And we've got some company tonight, so I wanted to get a few things especially for them. And there we go, really. We'll see where it all goes to, and we'll have a crack at things. But I thought I would say this is what I bought today. Have a look, see what you think. So what I've done this morning to make a change and to make it easier for myself, because there is so much stuff, I've actually decided to kind of break it up into where it goes. So there's kind of fridge stuff, freezer stuff, and kind of ambient temperature stuff. And so we'll start with the fridge stuff. My goodness, there's a lot here, isn't it? I do like eggs. I've got some meat. I've got some chicken. I've got Elmley. We like Elmley a lot. And some desserts. We've got some smoked salmon. Oh no, we've got some plain salmon that will go in the air fryer, and some chicken, cheese, club biscuits, all sorts of stuff that will go in the fridge. Then for the freezer, we've got some of those mini chocolate eclairs, some chicken pies, and some pizza subs, which I like a lot actually. We have those for tea. Then some mixed frozen vegetables. I have no issues with frozen vegetables because they're pretty nice. Okay, and over here is what we've got under the kind of ambient range. So crisps and cake, bottle of red wine, spuds for jacket spuds, and a shopping bag, and some onions. So that is my shopping for today. There's a lot there, isn't there? And I think that's about 60 or 70 quid. 70 quid, I think. And it's a fair old whack. But having said it's a fair old whack, there's a lot of stuff here that, to be honest with you, is kind of stuff that I don't buy every week or every month. Come to that, I mean, things like washing up liquid, stuff like that lasts a couple of months. The red wine will probably last a week. And we've got some rosé as well, and that might last another week. So all things taken into account, I'll probably spend quite a lot less on this week's shopping than maybe I might other times, but it just kind of goes on, doesn't it? But I like doing my shopping on a Tuesday. I go to Iceland, I go to Lidl, and sometimes I go to Morrison. Sometimes I leave Morrison's to Wednesday morning because it just helps, and I buy some things from some places that I think are a good deal. And don't forget, as an old age pension, an elderly person, call it what you like, I get 10% discount with a card from Iceland, and that does help. They also do multi-buy things where you can buy several different kinds of things and get them at a package price, which I think is mostly okay. You never do the proper comparison because none of us have the time, but I think we're getting a reasonable deal. So we shop there and we shop in all of them, and we quite enjoy it and we have a good time. There you go. That's what I like doing. Okay, I'm Chris. This is the Old Geezer's Diary, and this is my little brief shopping expedition Tuesday vlog. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.